How many of us know this soap? I know a lot of us do, right? This is the traditional black soap. How many of us know this soap? This is our modern bar soap. What if I tell you that these two soap undergo the same basic chemistry in terms of their production? Let me take you there. Generally, how is soap manufactured? A soap is manufactured when you take a fat or oil, like a coconut oil, olive oil, palm kernel oil, and you heat it with a caustic alkali. Caustic alkali is sodium hydroxide, also called caustic soda, or potassium hydroxide, also called caustic potash. You are going to get a soap and a glycerol. Glycerol is also called propane 1,2,3 triol. And that reaction or that process is called saponification. Now, take notes. If you use sodium hydroxide, you get a solid soap. If you use potassium hydroxide, you get a liquid soap or a relatively soft soap. Now, this is what happened olden days. They didn't know they were performing chemistry. Now, this is what they do. They get a palm kernel oil, which serves as the source of fat or oil, the triglyceride. Then they get a plant material, like a palm tree leaf, a plantain skin, or a cocoa pod husk. They get it, they burn it. After burning it, they mix it with water. In that process, potassium hydroxide is being produced. Because originally, the plantain leaf or the cocoa pod husk has potassium in it. When they burn it, the potassium is converted to potassium trisulcarbonate 4, which is K2CO3. Then on mixing with water, the K2CO3 hydrolyzes to give potassium hydroxide. Then we have our source of alkali. So they do the same thing that we do. They mix both of them together, the palm kernel oil and the what? And the plant ash, which was gotten after the plant material has been burnt. So now the source of fat and oil is there. The plant ash serves as the source of what? Alkali. Then they have their soap and their glycerol. But this is it. Why is their soap soft? We said because the alkali gotten from burning the plant matter is what? Is potassium hydroxide, which will give us what? A relatively soft soap. Now, in our own modern day soap, we separate the soap from the glycerol in a process known as salting out. We separate it. But there was no knowledge of chemistry then. So they don't separate the glycerol from the what? From the soap. Now, naturally, glycerol is a humectant. It has a water binding property. Notice that when you use a black soap, your body feels moisturized. Your body feels what? Moisturized. Why? It is because of the glycerol. It absorbs moisture in the air and it what? Attaches to the outer part of your what? Of your skin. That is why you feel like that. They didn't separate the glycerol from the what? From the soap. Are you with me? But we separate our own glycerol from what? From the soap, normally. Although there are other things involved in our own modern day soap, like addition of perfume, chemical regulating temperature. That is why their soap is what? Soft. Why? Potassium hydroxide. Why does it have that moisture? That feeling? It is because of the what? Of the glycerol, which is what? Is an humectant. Is an humectant. Now, why is the soap black? The soap they use then, why is it black? It is black because of the burning of the plant matter, which is what? The ash. Do you understand? The ash is the reason why their soap appears black. So this is the chemistry of a black soap. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my videos. A lot of people can benefit from videos like this. People that are writing JAM, WAEC, IGCSE, a lot of exams. Even if you're in the higher institution, you can benefit from videos like this. And take notes. Take notes. The reaction is called Saponification. Like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you.